Tell me something. How would you like to make an exceptional income while you're sleeping, while you're driving, while you're on vacation, or while you're doing anything at all? Good folks looking to make remarkable money is perfectly natural. But rather than busting your hump to get it, shouldn't you be doing it in a much easier and simpler way like I do? I present a fully legitimate, portable, work when you please or from wherever you like digital business system. This remarkable one-person operated small business is recession-proof and anti-layoff proof too. Once in it, you will never ever have to worry about losing your livelihood ever again. Neither can you ever fail at this business. Well, unless of course you quit. The income earning potential with this offer is limitless. Experience isn't necessary either, nor do you have to be tech savvy. That's because short, easy to follow, detailed module type training videos are included when you join this business. You too can tap into this franchise-like platform that anybody can do. Automation quietly and steadily working to make you rich while you drive, sleep, travel, or even when you feel more like just playing. You have absolutely zero risk, nothing to lose, and everything to gain. I seriously mean that, folks. If you have any doubt whatsoever, just contact me privately, and I will be pleased to provide you with tax documents as proof. Besides all the benefits that I've already mentioned, there is no direct selling involved whatsoever, so you don't have to be a salesperson or even have any sales experience for that matter. There is also no phone solicitation, no hustling or scrambling for customer leads or buyers. There is no email blitzing either. Neither is there any hassling or badgering family and friends to sign up for anything or to buy a single thing. Most of my colleagues begin this self-employment windfall part-time, just to supplement their existing livelihood. There was a short, complimentary, no-pressure webinar that I needed to watch. It lays out all the details and particulars openly, honestly, and completely. Just use the button or the link right now to enroll and reserve your spot. Then, after watching the webinar, if you feel that it is a good match or the answer to your prayers, like it was for us, then you should opt in immediately. Doing so will enable you to have unlimited earning potential all for yourself. No more shrinking down dreams to fit the size of your paycheck. Instead, you'll have income arriving to you steadily that will support and fit the size of your dreams. A continual supply of checks will be coming to your mailbox for each of the automated transactions that you will be involved with. Use the button or the link to enroll for the complimentary webinar right now. You can thank me later.